It is Easter Sunday, April 1st, and the first day you get to pay to play at the Ocean City Boardwalk. And as you can see, Ocean City still has lots more work to do to get this finished up. We got still need to be paved, still need the lines out here, but it's $3 an hour. If you're physically challenged, you have 30 minutes to come in and get back out, or you're paying to. There's about 13, 14 meters around the parking lot here. You're better off getting the Park Mobile app and just do everything through your phone. But the lot's a little bigger. They took out the median strip down there, so we've added a few more parking spots. But April 1st is the day. From now on, through end of October, make sure you're feeding the meters. There we go. Looks like one of them's trying to turn on. Plate by plate. Plate by plate. And welcome to Ocean City. Press any key to continue. Enter your license plate number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert coin, miles per hour, Sunday. And you enter your credit card there, put in coins there, get your tickets there. I do not see that it accepts bills, so have coins, credit cards, or use your app. It's no refunds, no change. Whatever you put in there is what you're billed for. But they are working, so make sure you're paying. All right, that's it.